Introducing the 2024 Volkswagen Amarok AV 5.0, 3.0, 237. With only 74,347 kilometres on the clock, this 3-litre beauty is packed with features like Bluetooth, satellite navigation and 360 view camera for your comfort and safety. The sleek exterior boasts Towbar preparation and privacy glass, while the interior offers boot light and cup holders for convenience. With advanced security features like collision avoidance braking and lane departure warning, you can drive with peace of mind. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer servicing and a comprehensive warranty, you can trust in the quality of this vehicle. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more details on this fantastic pickup truck.